Hi, it's Marlene Boyle from Remax Jazz, and today we're going to be going around to the different splash parks in Clarington. Right now we're at the Port Darlington East Beach Park, and as you can see it's quite busy today. It's a nice warm day. Port Darlington's East Beach Park is relatively new and is absolutely stunning. This is probably the best splash pad in Bowmanville, as it's a great size with an adorable nautical theme. There's even a small sandy beach area if you'd like to go for a swim or have a picnic by the water. Another great splash pad is located at Longworth Park. This one also has a large gazebo for shade and a great size frog-themed splash pad. There are 2 large soccer fields, a baseball diamond, and a small playground north of the fields. The next park is Guildwood. The splash pad is big with those adorable elephants that squirt water from their trunks. This park has swings, plenty of benches, and a basketball court. Next up is Harvey Jones Park. This is a gorgeous neighborhood park with a small splash pad, some swings, a small gazebo, and playground. Northglen Park is another good one with daisy-themed splash pad. This is a pretty big park as well, with tons of room for kids to play, and even has a hopscotch game painted on the ground. This park also features a soccer field where your kids can run and play. Lastly, we have Bonds Park. This has an amazing play structure with swings and sand and is wheelchair accessible with a small ramp leading onto the play structure. It has a small colorful splash pad and a basketball court. Do you have a favorite park or splash pad I didn't mention? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching and have a great day.